As a beginner or an avid hiker, having the proper gear is essential for a safe and enjoyable experience on the trails. From sturdy footwear to accurate navigation tools, packing the right essentials can make all the difference during hikes. So, in this video, we've compiled the 10 coolest hiking gear essentials available today. Let's dive right into it. When it comes to hiking gear, a reliable and lightweight backpack is an absolute must. That's where the Outdoor Vitals CS40 Ultra truly shines. Designed with the hiking enthusiasts in mind, this backpack offers a perfect balance between weight reduction and durability, making it an essential companion for your outdoor adventures. Its standout feature is the proprietary 2-ounce carbon fiber frame, which provides crucial vertical support. This ingenious design alleviates shoulder strain while allowing for lateral flexibility, ensuring that you can move with ease and comfort on the trail. But it's not just about the frame. The CS40 Ultra is constructed using ultra weave fabric renowned for its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. The carefully designed curved structure prevents sagging and ensures optimal weight distribution so you can maintain balance and stability even with a loaded pack. Beat the scorching summer heat with a powerful ally that's bound to keep you cool and refreshed. Introducing the Zhiyun Life Handheld Fan Pro 1S, the ultimate summer essential. Imagine having a handheld fan that not only delivers a gentle breeze but can also unleash a fierce gale whenever you need it. With Category 100 hurricane technology, you have the power to customize the wind speed among a whopping 100 levels. But wait, it gets even better. The Pro 1S boasts Air Turbo 2.1 technology, a groundbreaking innovation in air duct design. The result? A fan that's quieter, more stable, and highly efficient in circulating cool air. Besides, speed and convenience go hand in hand with this cutting-edge fan. Thanks to its 18-watt fast-charging capability, you can get it fully juiced up in just 90 minutes. Plus, the built-in AI protection chip ensures your fan is safeguarded against overcharging, overheating, and all the other hazards. Now here's the best part. It flaunts a long-lasting battery that can power it up to an incredible 15 hours on a single charge. Picture yourself enjoying a full day of cooling without any interruptions. It's like having your own personal cooling companion on standby. Not just a powerhouse, this fan is a true style icon. Its sleek aluminum body with an LED screen that exudes sophistication and elegance. Designed to fit perfectly in your palm, it's both lightweight and easy to hold. The smart switch button prevents accidental touches, while the gear adjustment roller makes changing wind speeds a breeze. And hey, thanks to the multiple color options, you can express your personality as well. So get ready to experience a summer like never before with the Zhiyun Life Handheld Fan Pro 1S by your side. It's time to bid farewell to sweaty days and say hello to breezy bliss. As a hiker, it's important to keep your feet happy, so a comfortable pair of hiking boots like Salomon Outpost is always a wise choice. It offers excellent comfort with its sprightly and agile feel, making it easy to move quickly on the trails. The boot features Salomon's new Fuse Surge midsole, which provides good responsiveness and energy return. Additionally, the SensiFit synthetic upper ensures a snug and flexible fit, while the Ortholite insole offers added padding for your comfort. OUTPULSE is relatively soft and sneaker-like, making it suitable for day hikes, but it may not be the best choice for longer backpacking trips with a heavy load. The boot weighs less than most hiking boots in its class, allowing for easy movement. The all-terrain Contagrip outsole offers excellent grip on various terrains, while the Gore-Tex membrane provides waterproof protection and breathability. The Zpacks Vertis rain pants are designed with a 3-layer construction, combining multiple elements to provide outstanding performance. They feature a moisture-wicking tricot lining that helps keep you dry by pulling moisture away from your skin. The waterproof vapor-permeable membrane ensures that rainwater stays out while allowing perspiration to escape, keeping you dry and comfortable from the inside out. The pants are made from 7 denier ripstop nylon, which provides excellent durability without sacrificing weight. With this pair of pants, never let unexpected rain showers dampen your hiking experience. Next on the list, this Marmot Precept Eco is a top-performing rain jacket designed for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. This jacket is built with Marmot Nano Pro technology, which balances breathability, waterproofness, and durability. Its 100% seam-taped construction ensures complete protection against leaks. The PFC-free DWR coating repels water, keeping you dry and eco-conscious. The fixed hood with peripheral cord adjustment offers extra coverage, while the pit zips provide ventilation to regulate body temperature during active moments. You can stash your gear into large pack pockets, and the center front zipper with a storm flap keeps out the cold. To ensure a snug fit and added warmth, the jacket also features an adjustable drawcord hem and Velcro cuffs. Next on the list, here's the Adventure Medical Kit's NanoHeat, a compact and versatile blanket designed to provide warmth and coziness wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're backpacking through the wilderness, camping under the starry night sky, or simply on the go, the NanoHeat blanket is a reliable companion. Its soft and plush fabric wraps you in comfort, ensuring that you can relax and recharge after a long day on the trail. What sets the NanoHeat blanket apart is its 80% heat-reflective coating on one side. This innovative design allows the blanket to effectively retain your body heat, keeping you warm even in chilly conditions. It's also water-resistant and windproof, ensuring you stay dry and protected from the elements. However, despite its exceptional performance, the NanoHeat blanket remains remarkably compact. When hiking, it's always important to take some rest and recharge, and for that, the Soto Windmaster is a trusty one to make some heartfelt meals on the go. This ultralight backpacking stove by Soto Outdoors is designed to be tough and efficient. It comes with a built-in windscreen, allowing you to cook even in windy conditions. The micro-regulator valve system provides precise flame control, saving fuel and giving you the perfect cooking temperature. With a high output of 11,000 BTU, this stove can quickly boil water or simmer gourmet meals. It works well with both large and small pots, offering cooking versatility. Weighing just 2.3 ounces, it's super light and ideal for backpackers aiming to keep their gear weight down. The Soto Windmaster stove ensures you can cook delicious meals effortlessly during your outdoor escapades. Just like having proper meals, staying hydrated is essential for maintaining your energy and enjoying your hiking adventure to the fullest. Carrying enough water can be a burden, but with the MSR Trailshot, you can enjoy fresh drinking water wherever your journey takes you. This pocket-sized water filter is the perfect solution for hikers who want to lighten their load without compromising on hydration. It utilizes a highly effective hollow fiber filtration method. This reliable filtration system is designed to eliminate a wide range of waterborne germs and viruses, so you can drink directly from streams, rivers, or even questionable water sources with peace of mind. Furthermore, the compact size of the MSR Trailshot means it easily fits into your pocket or attaches conveniently to your backpack. It's always within reach whenever you need a refill, making it a practical and efficient solution for staying hydrated on the go. The last thing you want on a trail is to get lost, and this ZOLEO serves as a life-saving tool in such scenarios. It's a satellite communicator designed to expand smartphone messaging coverage globally, enabling communication from anywhere on Earth. Utilizing the reliable Iridium satellite network for messaging, it offers enhanced safety with built-in check-in and SOS buttons. The device is rugged and resilient, weighing 5.2 ounces and boasting IP68 dust and water resistance, as well as MILSTD 810G shock resistance. Its rechargeable internal lithium-ion battery provides over 200 hours of battery life. This one connects the smartphones via Bluetooth LE with a range of up to 50 meters. Safety features include standalone SOS and check-in buttons for emergencies and status updates. Looking for a versatile and lightweight shelter to take on your next hiking adventure? Look no further than the Camox Sunda 2.0, a lightweight yet durable backpacking tent that doubles as an all-in-one hammock. With its innovative design, it offers the best of both worlds, allowing you to camp on the ground or in the air. Whether you prefer the security of a traditional tent or the freedom of a hammock, this tent has got you covered. One of the best features of the tent is its spacious interior. With 34.7 square feet of living space, there's plenty of room for 2 adults, as well as your gear, kids, or furry friends. Plus, with the redesigned rainfly, setup is a breeze. Say goodbye to excess weight and complicated setup instructions. The Sunda 2.0 is quick and easy to pitch, leaving you more time to enjoy the great outdoors. So, this concludes our list of the 10 coolest hiking gear essentials available today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.